As well as tenths, we can also multiply hundredths. 0.04 times 2 is the same as 0.04 plus 0.04. So if we add another 0.04 or 4 hundredths, you can see that we now have 8 parts out of 100 coloured, which we write as 0.08. But now what about 0.06 times 4? 0.06 times 4 is really 0.06 4 times. We already have 1 times 0.06 here, so let's multiply by 2, 3, 4. So we started with 6 hundredths, and because we multiplied by 4, we now have 24 hundredths. We have 24 parts out of 100 coloured. And that's the same as having 2 tenths and 4 hundredths, so 0.24. What is 0.03 times 7? Well, we need 0.03 7 times. So let's multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we started with 3 hundredths, and multiplying by 7 has given us 21 hundredths. But that's the same as 2 tenths and 1 hundredth. So we have 0.21. So we can multiply numbers with 2 decimal places by partitioning. 3.26 is the same as 3 plus 0.2 plus 0.06, because remember, the second digit after the decimal point is in the hundredths place. So we're going to multiply 4 by each digit in 3.26 separately. So we write the 4 on the left of our grid, then the partitioned numbers at the top. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 0.2 is 0.8. And 4 times 0.06 is 0.24. Adding these numbers together, and you'll need to use column addition for this, though I haven't done here, gives us our answer 13.04. We can answer the same question using column multiplication. Now this isn't how we're used to setting out column multiplication. Usually we have the larger number on top, but that's only because with whole numbers the larger number has more digits. 3.26 is a 3-digit number, and 4 is only a single-digit number. So here it makes sense to have 3.26 as our top number. You might also notice that our place values are not lined up. We have our 4 units under our 6 hundredths. We can still do this as long as we remember that if there are 2 decimal place values in the question, there will be 2 decimal place values in our answer, so there will be 2 digits after the decimal point. So now that we've got our decimal point in our answer, we can multiply as normal to get our answer. Now pause the video and see if you can answer 7 times 4.23 using the grid method. We partition the number to multiply each digit separately. We write the whole number on the left of our grid and the partitioned number at the top. Now 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 0.2 is 1.4, and 7 times 0.03 is 0.21. So we add up the numbers on our grid, and again we might need to use column addition to do that, and that gives us our answer. We can answer the same question using column multiplication. Again, I've put the number with the most digits rather than the larger number at the top, and because there are 2 decimal places in our question, in our answer we will also need 2 digits after the decimal point. So now we can just multiply as normal to get our answer.